Hello everyone, John Eisenhower here. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to Module 5 and welcome you to Module 5. So I'm in DRE 1901 here. This is spring of 2015. In the first half of the term, if you're watching at any other time, the material here will be very similar to what you're looking at, but of course you have to make adjustments for dates and things like that depending on when you're taking the course. So to find Module 5, just like normal, I go into the Assignments area, scroll down until I find Module 5, click on it, and just like normal, this module starts with pages for the introduction, outcomes, and an assignment summary. So you should read the introductions, you should look at the outcomes, but again, these aren't specific assignments. This is just to let you know how this course fits into or how this module fits into the course overall. Okay, and here's the assignment summary. Very important this week because we do have an assignment that is new that you have not done before. So we'll talk about that more in just a few moments. So when you look at the assignment summary here, you'll see that the due dates again are posted right here at the top, and of course right next to the module name. So you want to make sure that you have all the due dates correct so that you can get your assignments in on time. We do have 2 readings this week: What Evolutionary Psychology Says About Social Networking by Michael Rogers, and which is in the Nexus book, and chapter 24 through the epilogue in Outcast United. You should be finishing the book Outcast United this week in preparation to do our final discussion board on that text next week. Here are the assignments that are due this week. We have the Module 5 Peer Review, Cause and Effect, First Draft Discussion. Of course, I do have another video about how to complete the peer review discussion boards, and I'll post a link to that in the comment section, not in the comment section, but in the description of the video. You need to create and submit the first presentation slide in Google Presentation. Now this is something new, you haven't seen this before, so I'm going to make a separate video to show you how to do that, so keep an eye out for that as well. Check your email, I'll send it to you in email. Probably will be in the same email or an announcement as this Welcome to Module 5 video. Just like every week, you have McGraw-Hill Learn Smart assignments this week. You should be getting very close to 75% completion on your Learn Smart total. And most importantly, you need to submit the cause and effect final draft to Blackboard by the end of Module 5. So in this term, that's on Monday, but in your term, it may be something different, and you can find that information right here. And of course, the due dates are posted in several areas, as well as the course calendar. For lecture notes this week, it's really just a brief presentation from Outlook Purdue on peer review. Please do take a look at that. It's very brief. This is just another overview of the high stakes cause and effect assignment. Gives you just a brief description of the assignment itself, links to the Module 4 first draft assignment, and also a link to the rubric that I will use to grade it. This is the cause and effect revision assignment, and like your assignment from 2 weeks ago, the exemplification final draft revision, there are a number of questions down here that you should ask yourself as you go step by step through your paper to make sure that it meets the assignment requirements. But what's different about this piece is this part, the specific guidelines for citation. Now, you can find step-by-step instructions right here to tell you what to do as far as finding an element of Michael Rogers' piece to cite, and also a sample works cited citation right here. But I'm going to make a separate video to show you how to actually set up the citation in your paper, and so keep a lookout for that as well. This is just the link to upload the SafeAssign writing assignment, and you can click View Complete right here and then upload your paper on the next page. This is the new assignment, the Module 5 first 2 presentation slides assignment. It tells you, and of course if you look through the introduction and the assignment, it tells you exactly what you're going to do and what the objective is. And this week, all I want you to do is to produce the first 2 slides of your presentation. It's only just to get you some practice with using Google Presentation, just to show me that you can do it, and also show me that you can put a picture in. And you can download the instructions. I have very specific instructions here at the bottom. I'll show you in a minute. The PDF copy of the Module 5 First Presentation Slide Assignment, if you click this link, it just gives you a hard copy of this page that you can print out to keep next to you while you do the work. You will need to do this in Google Presentation, which means you need access to your FTCC student email. If you don't, if you have lost your password, if you've forgotten it, you can click this link here, Student Email Password Reset Form, and get your email password reset. And if you open this, you can download an example to show you exactly how I want the slides to look. This is this link here. It'll show you exactly how I want the slides to look at the end. Submission criteria are right here, and it's really the same as when you submit your Google Drive papers. You just go File, Download As. For this one, you'll do a PDF and upload it to a SafeAssignment link. All right, and from here on out are just the specific instructions for how to do the 2 slides, how to open up a presentation in Google Presentation and make 2 slides, and importantly, how to choose an image that you can use from the internet. Now, you can't just go on Google and choose an image, because those images are likely to be copyrighted, and violating copyright is illegal. So this shows you a method for how to choose pictures that you're actually allowed to use. And it'll show you how to give credit to the author of the image, the photographer, the author. And you'll have this is just the example slide, and there's a much bigger version. There's a much bigger version of this slide in the example. So make sure to take a look at the example that you, of course, can download from the link in the resources right here. The next page just is a page where you can submit the first 2 presentation slides. Now, it's important that you don't get confused about which SafeAssignment link to submit to, and the way you can keep yourself straight on that is just to look at the title up here, that this link is for submitting the first 2 presentation slides, and the link here is for submitting the cause and effect final draft. So just make sure before you submit anything that you are reading the title and knowing exactly, reading the title and even looking here, that making sure that you're on the right page. Okay. Now, starting a few pages later, you have the discussion forum assignment, cause and effect review. Again, you'll remember from 2 weeks ago, I posted a video that shows you how to complete the peer review. And so if you've forgotten or you had some trouble the first time, make sure to review that video again, and it'll show you the process step by step. Of course, this week you still have to continue to work in McGraw-Hill, Connect and Learn Smart, and so you need to be aware of that. And the final page, as always, is a link to the questions for the instructor. If you have any questions about this week's assignment, post a question here. I will respond to it within 24 hours during the week or 48 hours during the weekend. And you can also find my my office hours and methods to contact me or come see me in the instructor information area here on the left. My office hours are posted there. I'd be happy to see you during office hours. You can feel free to call me during office hours because I'm normally sitting at my desk. Yeah, or just come see me and I'll help you in any way I can. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please contact me by email, phone, or in person, and I will see you in the discussion boards, and I'm sure I'll be hearing from you. So have a great week. All right, bye-bye now.